Hi, boys and girls. So, we are going to read a book called The Best Place to Read by Debbie Bertram and Susan Bloom. So, we're reading this book in the Launchpad app called Sora. The Best Place to Read. A new book for me. I can't wait to read. I run to my own little chair. I'm growing too tall, and the seat is too small, so I'm not comfortable there. Into the den. That's a good place to read. I love Grandma's soft, cozy chair. But so does old Rover. I tell him, move over, but he won't make room for me there. Daddy's chair must be magic. The seat can move back, up, and down in this big leather chair. A cool, windy feeling. The fan on the ceiling is spinning and blasting cold air. Snack time. I'm hungry. I'll read in the kitchen. Baby's booster is next to my chair. The table's so sticky, my hands get all icky. We know we don't have any food near our books. Yuck! Why would I want to read there? Grandpa looks comfy whenever he reads in his lumpy and bumpy old chair. My book drops to my feet when springs poke through the seat. Boing! I bounce up so high in the air. Upstairs, I'll read in my big brother's room. I flop on his round beanbag chair. Surprise! I yell, eek, as the chair springs a leak. There are beans and more beans everywhere. Her Highness the Princess, that's my big sis, a gold seat like a throne in her chair. But her stereo's singing, her telephone's ringing, too loud. Who could ever read there? So back down the stairs. Oh, where can I read? In Auntie's old wood rocking chair. Like a rocking machine, I feel seasick and green. I have to go out for some air. The backyard is great. I can read on the grass. I'll sit on a patio chair. It's the sprinklers, oh no, splashing me head to toe. So now it's too wet to read there. I dry myself off. I give up. I can't read. I've tried to sit down everywhere. With no reading done, I'm still on page 1. I can't find a comfortable chair. Mommy, oh Mom, may I sit on your lap? I love it so much when we share. The best place to be, just my book, Mom, and me. At last, in a comfortable chair. I love this. I used to love reading with Mom. I love reading outside. I can't wait to hear about where you love to read.